Residents of Maweit areas have faced transportation woes due to poor maintenance of the under-construction road from Nongstoin to Maweit. The construction company's failure to properly maintain the route has resulted in difficult conditions for vehicles. Buses have ceased operation on the road and other vehicles like sumos and pickup vans struggled due to mud and stagnant water. Meanwhile, the Henyotreb Youth Council HYC Maweit Circle, under the leadership of its president Jeremiah Dakhar, has conducted spot inspection and also demanded the contractors to take immediate action to repair the damaged sections and ensure the bridge safety.
Katkum kajing benyau lene kajing lap kajing ut jing nam jong kipai ba bakasurok kala songti bat kala jenjar haduk kata ban yaj ban yeng ban laj ban lej jing lej na Maweit shadu Nongstoin te nagleng jongi ngilap ya kene kajing sisa bat ngi kerpat ro ya ka office badai pej bagi de ban simkhya ha ka bide bat kene